Alright, let's take a look to the piston sleeve, middle to one. A lot of rust is evident here. The left and rightmost cylinders, they are clean and I don't see any rust, but only these one having the rust, and the rightmost one, the front, the rear one is also clean. So only middle two ones are dirty. They have rust inside in the sleeve, inside the sleeve. And I also notice in the corner, if you notice, this green stuff is a coolant. So coolant did leak inside, and I don't think so oil is going to be that much green. Then it's looking right here. So definitely coolant was leaked inside the engine block towards the oil sump. So, and it was also noticed when I was draining the oil, I saw some coolant came out along with the oil when I was draining. So now I will take it to the machinist. He will do the MagnaFlux to check the cracks and any crack from inside that needs to be repaired. Remember, here is one crack we had outside, and that was welded, but I don't know what's going to be inside. Anyway, yeah, looks like I see green stuff inside the distributor oil pump, inside the oil pump actually, gallery. That's about it for now. So I think this is ready for machinist. I will take it along with the camshaft. I have not removed the camshaft. I have removed the crankshaft. That was my mistake. I should have removed the camshaft before putting it on the engine mount. So because I cannot now open this plate, I don't have much space to work here, and this sprocket is still there. So that's the only thing remaining. I have not removed the cam, so that's why lifters are still inside, and they're not gonna fall, because they are removed from this side, from the bottom. All right, that's about it.